So, hello my friends. Today we have potatoes because we have some left over. We have the usual healthy stuff, onions, garlic and so on, chili, bell pepper, carrots today, and we will use cheese, very good cheese, and bio eggs from healthy and what is that? A chicken which is happy. So he gives happy eggs. That's our meal for today. So that's all cutted. Potatoes, carrots, garlic, onion and so on, cucumber and bell pepper. The eggs and the cheese come later. Oh. So finally it looks like this. Now it comes in the oven. Just wait. So the grill is on and we take the handle off. Come on, go off. So the handle is off and it is in the oven to get brown. Oh, looks very good, nicely brown. So it's going off and we take it out. So it looks wonderful. We eat it now. So it's cutted and comes to the plate. So that looks good. In the pan we have two more. So let's say bon appetit.